What do you think, Don?
Sure looks pretty.
All right. But then we'd have a Class A and a pull behind, Don.
And a Chateau. The 1960s still back.
Right.
We'll
Well,
have a garden of camper.
we're gonna have to start a camp and breakfast.
Yeah.
Anyway, we're looking at this Flagstaff Microlite. Yeah. 2021 and a half, I guess. I don't know what all that says. And there's something down here that gives you your actual weight. So the actual weight of this one is 4702. That ain't bad with the options. Dual battery. We're not doing a walk around, we're just looking at stuff. It's got that different kind of bracket pinning or something. Interesting.
Got the griddle on there.
Right. Just a little storage.
It goes straight through to this one though.
This has got that new front nose cap on it. Interesting. Yeah, it's got the solar on the side, but I bet this one doesn't have the solar on the roof. I don't know. They do put Goodyear tires on them now. Pretty impressive. Pretty impressive Goodyear endurance.
Spare tire on it. Slinky.
Spare tire, slinky.
Outside shower. Hi y'all.
Hey, what do you think?
I'm liking it.
Really?
I'm liking
Nice big awning. I think it's 14 or 15 foot, I think. Man, all right. It's got those cool new steps. I guess they got one of them doohickeys that make them go up easier.
it. Oh, it's good to have a doohickey.
Yeah. Hard to see in here. But it's got the Murphy bed. It does what I like. It's got the tank heater. You know?
Got the closet here.
I don't think she's got a the worst thing about this unit is when that slide comes in, you can't use the bed, I don't think. And you gotta kind of climb over it to get to the bathroom, so this would not be a good Cracker Barrel Walmart rig, but man, when you get to your destination, it'd be awesome. Especially for us, we got a couple dogs and floor spaces.
And this comes out, that's
Nice.
cool.
Yeah.
Got the oven over there.
Yeah, most people say they don't use it, but they do put a big one in these.
Think I would.
And they put a big one. Dark again, but it says wired for solar. See?
You see?
But I don't know. Some of them have the solar. I wonder if this fridge is all electric, or if this is a 12 volt fridge, but it's not. No, this is a gas and electric, so there's your controller right there. So it's a gas electric. So that is it. It's not a 12 volt. More storage over here. We're not doing this as an official video. Weird thing about this rig, or the cool thing, it's got vented AC, or you can run the AC right out of this. But yeah, I don't know if that's the upgraded AC or not. We don't have a build sheet on this yet. But the Murphy bed's kind of cool. You just unlock these. It just drops down. Oh, I didn't do the bed. Gotta do the bed first, folks. Pick this up. Let it drop. Pull your bed down. Wasn't that simple? One hand. Look at there. Look at there, folks. Now you got a full, and this is not a, this is a true queen. True queen in this one. But see, the slide, you're not going to be able to have the bed out. Folks, because that's the slide and that's the bed. So if we were going to sleep somewhere, to Lot Dock or Crocker Barrel or
You have to be on the couch.
Walmart, you'd have to sleep on the couch, which opens up, or sleep. We could sleep in the dinette.
Yeah, you can open
Yeah, the
that.
dinette, I know. You just wouldn't have your regular bed.
You just
But I
have
love the front window. It's huge, isn't it? You got a nightstand or a, like a headboard up there?
Open? It doesn't, does it?
No. That's cool. Very cool. Wow. She looks pretty
I
good.
got the ceiling's got that voltage.
This one here, I wish they had another max fan in there. Because I hear those drip in the wintertime if you're camping in the cold weather. You got to put something in there to kind of insulate it. I wish that was another max.
Yeah.
It does have a max air fan in the bathroom. But no, I don't think it's they are pre-wired for solar.
It's got the fan.
It'll have hookups, but it won't have the actual solar, I don't believe. All right. We're going to end this.